Don't worry, guys. We've made it home. Hannah Elizabeth Foran and Susan Ann Foran. Cold. Back at Elaine. You did not hear me swear.
What are you doing? Jason, come here, I beg. There's a man peeing on our driveway. The cheek of him. You ain't gotta run, you idiot. Look at him. He's on our driveway to pee. Are you taking the piss?
Alex? Hello?
Stop it. You clumsy Grace. Hello, Sarah.
Oh, let's speak right now. Yo, I don't care that Mitchell broke his elbow. I'm gonna fight Mitchell to death.
Come inside.
Yo, Mitchell's telling me to come inside. And there's milk on the side.
I call him milk in the head.
Yeah, Mitchell milked me in the head. You know what? I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you all.
Get inside, man.
I don't care. Mitchell told me to
man.
get inside. I don't care. Mitchell told me to get inside. I'm smelling of milk right about now. Oh, yeah. Oh, my chest. Yo, bro, I stink of milk, bro.
Get in, man, you milk, man.
Just to let you all know. I fucking stink of milk.
It's not like you. I'm fucking asshole. Again. Fuck. I was trying to make. I'm fucking out. Oh, I'm a fucking asshole.
Thank you for like taking me home.
Of course. Did you give me the wrong key?
No, Kevin, that's my key.
That's not the right key.
This is the key.
That is not the right
This
key.
is my house. No, I swear to God, this is my house, right? I swear to
You
God.
have that?
What? This is not my house.
Hey, Corey. I've got you some pizza. I got you some pizza. But I ate your chips.
Melanie, I got you a burger. Post it through your door. Melanie, it's going to be in bits in the morning. I'm sorry. It's cheese. Cheese! No, I'm very drunk. I'm at McDonald's. You got your burger? Good night. I love my chips.
Hello, let me in. Yep. Bye. Why would I have the key?
Do you not live here?
No.
What? What the fuck are we doing here?
I don't know.
Are you serious?
Are you joking?
No, I'm being serious. Get off this random person's phone. Are you fucking kidding me? This isn't your place?
No.
What? Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. Why you got a piece of cutter? John's a fucking pervert. Oi. Oi. Oi.
Oh, that's me. Oh. Right, dickhead, stop it now. Jay, stop. Stop. Jay, stop. Stop, Jay, stop. That is just like, stop it now. It's ridiculous. Jay, stop. Jay, stop it. This is stupid. Areas, stop now.
I'm having your fucking natural rock salt. That's my shit.
Right, the fucking terriers stop now, dickheads.
That was the most fucking hilarious thing I've ever entered.
I think you might make me ear bleed.
Right, the fucking terriers, I can't see what I'm doing. Right, get out of the fucking way. Right, the fucking stop it. Dickheads. Right, stop. I'm gonna fucking slap the fuck out of the terriers in there.
Look at the spiders! Spiders!
Who is it?
It's me, bitch.
What's the fucking time?
I don't know, my phone's dead. I have hiccups. But I have a burger. I have a burger if you want it.
No thanks. It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
You want a burger?
No, are you on your own?
Yeah. I have a burger. Please let me in.
Alles gut. Was?
I don't care. You're not going in my back door. No, but listen, I'm going here, front door.
No, I'm going in the back door tonight.
Have you got keys?
Of course I've got a key.
Stop being rude.
I've got the keys.
I've
got the secret.
Stop being rude.
Come on, let's get it on. Let's get it on. What are you...
I'm recording. Back on, I don't know.
Get in now. Get in.
Fuck yeah. Come on. Oh. Shit.
I began to pass out, and my head hit the wall. Boom.
Listen, Melanie, I'm very drunk, and some man offered me £20 for my socks. It's holding me socks. Good night.